Hello, Mr. Dowse here. In this video we're going to look at how to install Python on your computer. So I'm going to go into Google Chrome. You could go into Internet Explorer or Firefox, or if you're on a Mac you could use Safari. It doesn't really matter, but in the search bar you need to do a search for Python. And what I've got as my first search result is www.python.org. That's the one you need to be looking for, and I'm going to go into a sub menu and select Download Python. Now, we use Python 3.6 at school, but the download for this is complicated and the install is even more so. So we're going to go ahead and download Python 3.8.2 by clicking on this link here. As you can see, that has now downloaded Python into this section of my browser here. If you were using Internet Explorer, well, you would have got a bar appear just here, and that bar would have given you the option to run or save, and you needed to click run. So I'm going to click on that file, now it's downloaded, and I get the option to install Python. Now I want to add Python 3.8 to my path, and I want to do a custom installation, so I'm going to click on both of those options. Now everything should be ticked by default, and that's correct. You should leave everything ticked. However, this box here for all users requires elevation. This is a good thing to have ticked, but if you're not the administrator on your machine and you don't know the administrator password, you won't be able to use this option, so you will have to untick it. If you're the administrator or you have the administrator password, then leave that ticked. I'm going to click next, and again we have a series of options, and I want to install all of these options, so I've ticked all of those. And again at the top, this install for all users changes this path, okay, and if you have that ticked, you will again need elevation rights, so you need to be the administrator. If you haven't got that, please untick that option. So I'm going to click install, and when I do, my screen will go blank for a second while I get my elevation prompt. Okay, so I've agreed to my elevation prompt and my software is starting to install. Now this will take a long while. It will rattle through the first bit relatively quickly, but once it gets to the end it needs to start downloading libraries, and it will take quite a bit longer. So what I'll do very quickly while that's happening is I'll show you how to install this with Internet Explorer instead of Python. So I've gone into Internet Explorer, I've typed in Python in my address bar, I've gone to downloads, I've clicked on download Python 3.8.2 exactly as we did in Chrome, and here I get that bar I was discussing earlier, and we simply need to click on run, and that will start the installation process. Okay, now this looks like it's nearly finished, but I can assure you it hasn't, so I'm going to pause the video for a little while this continues to install, and we'll continue momentarily. Okay, so as I said, that took quite some time to install, and if your machine hasn't got fast internet or it isn't particularly quick, that could take quite some time on your computer, and you've just got to be patient. Now because I've already installed it on my machine before, you're missing an extra box down here that you would normally see, and that box says something along the lines of release the restrictions on 250 character paths, and that is something you should do. Again, it does require elevation, so if you're not the administrator on the machine you won't be able to do it unless you've got the administrator password, but if you are the administrator I would recommend clicking on that box, and then you get to this screen here that says setup was successful. So I'm going to close that, I'm going to close my browser, and that is how we install Python on our machine. I'll just quickly show you that it is installed. There we go, and I can get into the Python shell. Thank you very much for watching.